Divas, this is your girl, the official Tiffany Rose, and thank you so much for joining me for this video. So I just got back from Sephora. So in the previous video, I ended up mentioning that I was going to Sephora to return the KVD pressing powder, the summer shade that I actually had. So it's been about like an hour and a half or so since that video that I have put the foundation or the powder foundation on top of my foundation. To be honest, you guys, it looks actually really good. So I decided to keep the lighter shade for myself, but I did end up picking up a few other items from the store. So I want to go ahead and show you the items that I end up getting. As promised, I did end up getting the one size powder that they actually had. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what's inside of this goodie bag. So I went in there just to do one thing, and guess what? I couldn't resist myself. But I went in there to, like I said, to return the foundation and just use the credit to go towards the one size foundation powder. I would have had to pay a little bit of a difference, but you know, it is what it is that I got all these other goodies. Let's see what I have inside. So everything that I end up getting today was, of course, the one size. Now this is the Turn Up the Base. It's a versatile foundation powder. So I'm actually really excited to really try this on. I'm not gonna do any trying on today in this video because I do have a full face right now, but I will come back with you guys with a review to show you, but I wanna do a little bit of an unboxing here. And this color that I got was the Dark 2. Neutral undertones. It's a dark neutral undertone. So yesterday when I went into the store, the girl had me mix my two foundations. She mixed it for me that I actually wore, and I put it on, and then I put this on top of it, and it actually looked really nice. So we'll see when I do a full face. One thing, like I said, about Sephora that I do like is that they have a 30-day return, even if you don't have the box and you have used it. It works really great because, as you know, sometimes you buy things and then you think you're gonna like it and you really don't, and you're not stuck with it. But look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I love this red. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. That fell off. So there was like a little clear covering that went on top of it. Now this one, it seems like it's a lot lighter than what I am, but it's actually pretty close when you put it on top. So let me show you. You can't even see where I put it at, but look at this. Like literally, I have some makeup on my finger. Look at that. You see that? Now you can see it, but when you just have a little bit, look at that. Woo! The video is true that the girl did on online. So I'm really excited about putting this on. I'm gonna try to wear it without having any liquid foundation, and then I'm also gonna try putting it on top of it. I'm really excited about this one. I really like the KVD, but this one, I think I'm gonna really like this. We'll really see afterwards when I end up doing the product review for these products to give you an update on how I actually like them. So next item that I actually have here is going to be Urban Decay, and this is All Nighter. Now this is the Ultra Matte, and it's long lasting makeup setting spray. So as you guys see, I do get oily. And this one is up to 16 hours wear. It has a temperature control technology, and it's lightweight. So I'm really, really excited about using this. I have used one of their other ones that they actually have, but when I went into the store and I noticed that they have the Ultra Matte, I was like, oh, I need to try that one. So I decided to go ahead and get it. Now it says it's smooth skin without drying, smooth skin without drying, smooth skin without drying. That's what it says on the side of the box. So I'm really excited about that because I don't like it when some setting foundations do dry out your skin, or you know, it creates more of an oil. So I'm really excited about this one. It says it's breathable, keeps skin cool and refreshed, no makeup fading or setting into fine lines. And then it says controls shine and absorbs skin. So yeah, I'm really excited. I did end up putting a little bit of this on my arm when I was in the store, and I was like, okay, I really, really like this. So this one, if I wasn't mistaken, I believe that it said it had clay technology in it. So let me go ahead and spray it on my arm. Oh, this is cool. Let me show you the actual bottle. It's really cute. Now, I did get the travel size because I wanted to see if I was really gonna like it. So there's just the first cap, and then there's another cap. So I guess if you lose that one, you have a second cap. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my arm. And I'm gonna, yes, this is the same one that I had tried on in the store. I'm like 99% sure. Yes, because I feel it kind of like mattifying, and it kind of felt really good. So I'll put the details about the product below so that you'll be able to see. Now, this only is going to last for 6 months. It says dispose after 6 months. Your powders, you want to get rid of after 12 months. All right, so that is the second item that I bought. I bought 2 more items. So as like I said, oil is my issue. So I decided to go ahead and buy the Sephora brand, and it's the Mattify Plus, the Refine. And the primer, it says it controls shine for up to 10 hours. Now it does have witch hazel and white tea extracts in it. Now I did ask the sales agent, you know, has she tried this? Does she know much about it? And she said she hadn't tried the new formula. So I guess this one is a new formula. Anyone out there that has tried the original formula, put comment down below and just let me know, like, have you tried it, the new one, and is it different? Do you like it or not? But I'll definitely do, like I said, a product review and let you guys know what I think about this one on my skin. It says that it's a gel cream primer, mattifies skin and controls shine up to 10 hours, set to a lightweight powder finish that preps the skin with comfortable grip. Enrich the witch hazel extract, known to refine the look of the pores, and white tea extract, known to protect the skin from environmental factors. So really excited about using this one. This one says it's vegan as well, so that is really, really awesome. Hopefully this spray will give me a total of 26 hours. I got the 10 under and the 16 over. We'll see. I don't know if that's a such thing or not. But last but not least, the last thing I decided to get is going to be the Duo. Now this one is going to be the dual ending, so it does have your black and your clear. When I was talking to the sales girl, she was telling me that the black is really good if you're trying to go like for a bold look, and like for right now, if I had some lashes on, the black will be fine because I do have the black eyeshadow. But if you're going for something different and like you have lighter colors, you would want to use the clear. And I didn't know that. I just thought to go with the black because I'm black. Maybe that sounds so ignorant. Okay, excuse me for that ignorant comment. But you know, I've seen other YouTubers and other makeup artists go with the black because I guess it was more sticky. I don't really know. I don't put eyelashes on that often when I do them myself. I usually just put a really good mascara on and call it a day. However, when I did do the big chop on my hair, I had started getting my eyelashes done. And I ended up doing the individuals. I took a break from the individuals, and my eyelashes, I feel like, you know, they're not as long as they used to be, but you know, I'm like, okay, I want to kind of zhuzh up a little bit, you know, come on camera with some eyelashes on for you guys, you know, blink, 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 blink for you. But anywho, this one here is, like I said, a 2-in-1 strip lash adhesive. I got this just because I'm like, hey, it's always good to have some on deck. I do have eyelashes on deck, but I don't have any glue. So here I have it. It's a cool little stick there. So here's the white, and this one is the, the white. This is the clear side. This is the black. So, well, it says dark tone and then white and clear. So I was correct when I actually said white. So I'm really excited about using this one. I don't know why it says do not freeze. I don't know if people put this in a freezer. I don't know. That is really interesting. But I'm really excited about using this and putting some lashes on, just to kind of, like I said, zhuzh myself up a little bit. But all of my stuff, including my credit that I had a $19 credit. The one size powder is only $33. And the Duo 2-in-1 Lash Adhesive is $8. And the Mattify Refine, the Sephora primer is $15. And for the travel size Urban Decay Ultra Matte travel size is $15. So everything with tax here in the state of Florida is 7%. So my total end up coming to, or excuse me, my total amount after tax was $55.64. So not too bad. It didn't break the bank going to the store, but did I need everything? No. Could I do it without it? Yes. However, I wanted to try these items. I knew that, you know, I was going to be coming up on traveling soon. So I was like, hey, let me make sure I have all my items. Next week, I am going to be going to get beautified for my trip. So I'm going to be going getting my nails done, my toes done. I'm going to be getting individual eyelashes. I did get the eyelash glue because at least when, you know, I'm out of the country, you know, when it's time for me to take the eyelashes off, I'm able to put on some strips if I want to. I may even check out this place that I found that does braids on the island, but they also do lashes as well, and they sell wigs, they sell all these different things. So I do plan on checking them out. I may get my eyelash fill done there. I do plan on doing a day with me when I go around to get these different things for my beauty maintenance. So make sure you watch out for that video as well. And also make sure that you watch out for the video that I'm going to be doing with the actual product reviews. I'll come on camera and try to put on some eyelashes, but also try the products, you know, while I'm on screen. But then also tell you my honest reviews on them. But I hope that you guys have been enjoying these videos that I have been doing. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Make sure you like and subscribe and share, and come back for next time. Thank you so much.